What's up, everyone? This is Duana, aka Glamazon 1026. Happy New Year, and we're going to start this new year off right with a brand new set of nails, and we're going to use plugged acrylics products to do so. So for sculpting liquid, we're going to use the Plug Acrylic Sculpting Liquid. We're also going to use Plugged Acrylics Angelic Powder, as well as the Unicorn Tears Powder. So I'm going to start by putting down a bead of Angelic on my pinky. I'm going to put that bead fairly close to my cuticle, but not too close, because I'm going to use the tip of the brush to push it down towards my cuticle so that we don't have any flooding. I'm also going to pick up another bead and put that kind of in the center, and then another bead at the tip. I'm really trying to get my beadwork down so I don't keep using a bunch of beads and the nail doesn't get as fat as they usually did. I think I did a pretty good job this time. Then I'm going to pick up some unicorn tears and I'm going to do a glitter ombre with that. And we're just going to try to make that layer of glitter as thin as possible so that when we encapsulate, the nail isn't too thick. Next, on the ring finger, we're going to do an accent nail, and this is going to be all glitter. Make sure you clean up those edges, guys. Then we're going to do the same thing on the middle finger. The only finger that's different this time is the ring finger. I know that's so different for me, but I was like, you know what? I just want like a nice, simple set. And I think that this is going to be super cute when it's finished. So this nail is also getting the glitter ombre treatment, and you want to make sure you pick up a little bit of the glitter and just kind of smoosh it around with your brush in order to make it thicker at the top and then thinner as you go to the bottom. And then also, you don't see it here, but I went back over it after I was finished with my other hand with a little bit of angelic at the bottom, just to make it so that it really looks like it's ombre. It just covered the smallest bit of it at the bottom. So the thumb is going to be the same as the other four fingers. We are going to put angelic at the bottom and then have the glitter at the top. Felt like this was a really good view of how I lay my beads and shape them. So I just really wanted to keep this in for you guys. When they're all dry, I'm going to encapsulate with the Nail Supply Glamour Crystal Clear Acrylic Powder. I'm only going to show you the pinky because I have encapsulated almost every set, so you guys know what that is. Just put in some clear powder, clear acrylic on top of the glitter so that when we file, we don't take any of the glitter off. Now I'm just going to file with this 180 grit file that I got from Amazon. I'm using my Marquette nail dust collector. I figured out a different way to file coffin-shaped nails. So I do the initial files and then I file up and down. I feel like that gets me the best coffin shape that I've been getting since I started. See? Up and down, just like that. And then of course, file straight across to make it nice and sharp at the tip. Then I'm going to go over with my tornado drill bit, I think it's called, I can't remember. But this is really good for cleaning up cuticles, but you have to be really careful because it goes really fast. And if you don't have a good handle on your drill, you can cut yourself. I cut my pinky and it really hurt. I'm just taking out some bulk and making sure the nail is shaped good, and we have like a nice apex. And I also like this because it's really great for cleaning the inside, underside rather, of your nail because of the shape of it. So I've decided to use this drill bit a little bit more. Now I'm going to use the Glitterbels top coat, and I'm going to go over top and underneath so that the clear can show through the glitter. And then after I finish doing that, I'm going to stick it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to use my Love by Verdi cuticle oil to make these cuticles shine. I think I did an absolutely excellent job. I think these are the best cuticles I've ever done since I started, which, you know, that's great because you're supposed to get better as the more you go along with doing something. So I'm really happy as to how these came out. So here we go. This is the finished look. I really like it. It's so nice and clean. I don't know. It's just like a nice reset for my nails after, you know, the Christmas set, which I loved as well. And it's New Year's Eve because it has glitter. Yeah, love that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to tune into my next video. Make sure you thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to the channel. Be a part of the Glam fam by clicking the notification bell so that you can know exactly when I upload. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026. I will see you guys in my next video.